Hey, Andrew here. So you just bought yourself the new Canon R-series and you took a flash, connect to it, turn it on, but there's no flash. I'll show you how you fix this problem. All you need to do is head onto your camera, press menu, and do this. Scroll through the menu until you see this part of the menu in the camera section. Then go to shutter mode and switch this setting to mechanical instead of electronic. Also, look for this setting to make sure that your flash external speedlight control is enabled. Sometimes it's turned off. So you need to do two things. And with this setting now, when you fire your flash, it goes off. And this works with any flash, including the Godox third-party flash. The flash still goes off. So that's how you fix this problem if you own the Canon R-series and have your flash firing. If you love this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!